In Chapter 3.1, we'll be learning to make column charts, pie charts, and Pareto charts using the Google Sheets app. To make a column chart, I'm going to tap in A1, and I'll tap on the plus sign, and at the bottom there you'll see chart. I'll just tap on chart, and I automatically get a labeled column chart. Now if you look, you'll see that the y-axis on the left side and the responses legend at the upper right are redundant. So I'll go to legend, tap on the word right, scroll down, tap on none, and remove the legend. I can now simply press check, and that chart will appear here. I can always go back and edit the chart from the edit menu anytime I want to. That's a column chart. I can make a pie chart by, again, tapping in A1, tapping on plus, make a chart, and change the type to a pie chart or circle chart. It doesn't show the labels, but if I press check, you'll see that I've got a labeled circle or pie chart with the label of the slices. I think this is an optimal solution because it shows you what each slice's label is. There are other options. You can edit the chart, and if for some reason you need them, you can add these. But this would depend on people being able to see all the colors accurately. If you have people who may be colorblind, they won't be able to figure out which slice is which. So I like to use the labeled option down here, as that labels the individual items. Now, a Pareto chart is a chart which runs from the most frequently occurring to the least frequently occurring item in your list, from the tallest to the shortest, running from left to right. It's just a special kind of column chart. So I need to sort this column. But if I tap on B, I've tapped on the letter B at the top, and I tap again, I can go to the three dots menu at the far right, tap on it, and I can tell it to sort it. But you'll notice it sorted my labels. I didn't want to sort them. I only wanted to sort the contents. So to sort only the contents, I tap on the 1 on the left side here, and I tap on the 1 again, a second tap, and again I use the 3-dot vertical ellipsis menu, and I freeze row 1. Now row 1 is frozen, which is a handy thing to be able to do, and I'll again tap on B, but now when I do tap on B a second time and go to sort, that row won't move. Now that's not the right order, that's the wrong order, so I'll tap on B again, and 3-dot menu. I want to sort from Z to A. That now is a Pareto chart here. This is a Pareto chart. It's a column chart from the tallest column on the left to the shortest column, from the most frequent to the least frequent. That's a Pareto chart. So the trick to getting a Pareto chart is make sure you freeze that first label row before you go ahead and sort the data column. These should all still match. Facebook is 27, WhatsApp is 13. Do be careful. If you don't tap up in your data, if you tap in a blank cell and tap on plus and try to do a chart, you'll get this. It won't know what you're trying to chart. So I always tap in A1, which is usually the upper left corner of my table, and then go ahead and make a chart from there. And this is a Pareto chart done from scratch. And that's all there is to making charts with the Google Sheets app. Thank you for watching.